what connects the shimmering northern lights with glowing ocean waves. Both are stunning natural light shows, but born from vastly different origins. Auroras arise from charged solar particles colliding with Earth's atmosphere, creating colorful curtains of light in polar skies. Bioluminescence, however, is light produced by living organisms, like plankton and jellyfish, through chemical reactions deep in the ocean. While auroras paint vast skies with fast-moving hues, bioluminescence illuminates water gently, often sparked by movement or disturbance. Auroras depend on solar activity and magnetic fields, unpredictable yet majestic. Bioluminescence relies on biology, a constant yet fragile underwater glow. Both phenomena inspire wonder and reflect complex interactions between cosmos and atmosphere, or life and environment. Which natural light show captivates you more, celestial auroras or mystical bioluminescence? Share your thoughts below.